Hi, this is Divya from Arts Breeze Art Gallery. I am in art from 7 to 8 years and I have been dealing with a few artists. And I participated in India Art Festival in Bombay and Delhi few years ago. And I didn't expect that India Art Festival is going to come in our Hyderabad. But this year, very fortunately, we got India Art Festival in Hyderabad through Ramana Reddy Garu is main person. We got it in Hyderabad. And I thought in Hyderabad the response will be, we don't know. We were just confused because it's the first time. We in Hyderabad there was till now there is no art festival. This is the first time. So today this time we thought okay we'll check. But from 2 days I was really shocked. All the art collectors from Hyderabad visited from past 2 days. And there are nearly 1 lakh housing going on near Kokapet. Many projects are coming. So everyone wants art for their house. So from small budget to big budget, any budget, for any budget art is available here. So almost I think I sold many of the works this time. And few these artists are telling that Hyderabad is the leading now in art. In buying art, Hyderabad many wants to buy art in Hyderabad than Delhi, Bangalore. So it was great. It was great experience. And today also there are many inquiring many works. So Hyderabad is very good in art now.
So you have been exhibiting earlier in Bombay, Delhi, and other
yes.
places. So what is the difference you identify?
We were actually there was also good sales, but not in Hyderabad. There is more now. There are more sales in Hyderabad because in Hyderabad there is almost 1 lakh housing is coming now. Many new projects. Everyone is buying big houses. So for their walls, they want to fill their walls with art. So everyone is coming and buying 1 or 2 paintings for their houses and going in Hyderabad. And art is first time, so they want to buy. Yeah.
I would love to know about the artist.
ఆయనది ఇక్కడ ఉందా నీదేముంది
Yeah. We have displayed Madhu
అండ్ అదర్ హూ వాట్ ఎవర్
Anand Panchals.
About the artist names, you can give a brief.
Yeah, this is Ramesh Gurjala. And he is the leading artist in India now. One of the leading artists, one of the top 10 artists. And everyone wants to have his work in his house, at least one work. Yeah, and this is Anand Panchal, this is Bhaskar Rao. This is Madhu Kurwa, he is here. There are many inquiries for his works. That work is already sold. This is on inquiry. And today I think it should go. Yeah. This is Lakshma God, Padma Shri Lakshma God. He is the chief guest for our India Art Festival inauguration. And this is the sculpture of Ramesh Gurjala,
ఓకే
wooden sculpture.
ఓకే
Very beautiful piece. Vishnu with Dashavatar inside story. Yeah, thank you.
Nice.
Thank you so much.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
Thank you.